What's up, Griffin family ball? We're back with another video. So how you doing, family? So we are doing what? Errands, as usual.
On our way to Wally Mart.
Yeah, as the kids, as the little kids say, to the blue store. So I have Jermaine in the building, and he gonna be doing the cooking. Right, man? Whatever I said, yeah, right. So anyways, I hope you guys are having a blessed weekend, and we are thankful that we're still in the land of the living, and we'll be back in a minute. Well, we're pretty dirty. Dirty. So we're gonna have to go spray the car off. We can't be riding like this.
Ew, you nasty ass bastard!
As Maine say, what was you saying about the car being dirty inside and out?
It rides better when it's clean. It drives better. I don't know, it's a mental thing.
There you go, guys. That's almost like saying that when there's chaos in a space that's all filled with junk everywhere, then you can't think straight, and it kind of puts you in a mindset of everything just what I be saying, the kids be saying. It's a lot going on.
Spider-Man does whatever a spider.
I got my kids, I be like, it's a lot going on. And I done said it so much when things are kind of like difficult or not right. And they'll come to me now and be like, Mom, it's a lot going on. And I let them express themselves, and they be like, it's a lot going on. I be like, for real, what's going on?
This is why Mom doesn't fucking love you!
So we're here, washing the car as usual. That's the way we starting the day off. Cause main think it's dirty. I do too, like a little bit. Like, as you can see, it is. You probably can see the like the greenish pollen and stuff all over it. So yeah, guys, we're here. We're gonna wash the car, go do a little shopping, do a little barbecuing and everything, and just have a great time being off for the weekend, holiday weekend, and spending some time with our family and just winding down and being thankful. So yeah, that's what it's all about. Who was that talking to you?
Ask me how much it costs for a car wash. Hey, get your ass on the seat.
I think he might have wanted you to do it.
Shit. You asked me how much is a car wash.
You so mean, man.
Why you got to say nasty shit, Ray? Cause I'm a nasty motherfucker.
Boys looking good. Matching the car, man.
That was kind of the whole deal.
How good of a job you did. Turn around, let me see. I'm talking about as far as the water. Did you get in on there?
A little bit. A little drop.
A little bit. You pretty good at this. Well, guys, I have kept him company. I have did what I was supposed to do. And I'm finna get back in the car, listen to some little music while he continued to do his thing. And that'll be that. I'll be waiting on you in the car.
Yeah, okay. Hell to the no, no, no. Come on. Hell no. To the no, no, no.
Okay, guys. I'm looking in the camera and my face is like really puffy today. And sometime on other videos they might be. But I'm on a lot of medicine. So don't judge me. Just pray for me so I can keep it moving. Yeah. One of these days I'll go into that video and let you guys know what was going on. But right now I'm dealing with something. So yeah, moving on to the next thing. We have made it to the blue store safely. Man, ain't playing today though. In and out everywhere we go.
In and out of here.
I'm trying to hurry up and get back home. Uh-oh, music. So we have made it to the blue store, you guys. As the kids say, which is Walmart. For you guys that don't really know, Walmart, one of our favorite stores besides Target. So yeah, let's go ahead and get a parking and see what's next. Don't go in here picking up nothing that we aren't supposed to be getting.
Really?
I have to tell him that every time we go in the store.
Man, this is some bullshit!
Really?
Nah, for real, he usually has to tell me that, but I just beat him to it today, so I just let you know I be listening to you, and then you keeping me on my toes, so I have to keep you on your toes too. I don't know what's going on, but everywhere we go, it's a lot of music playing. Look at my man looking good today. He got his Jesus piece on, and it's looking good. From head to toe. You drip. You got your drip on. You trying to dress like me.
Yeah, really?
Yeah, you are. But that's all right. That's okay.
Alright. Get on out of here.
I don't know what's going on, but everywhere we go, it's a lot of music playing.
Yeah, copyright. Find the keys.
Today he got his Jesus piece on, and it's looking good. From head to toe.
Of course, you can put the shoes
drip.
on.
You got your drip on. You trying to dress like me.
Yeah, really.
Yeah, you are. But that's all right. That's okay.
By the way, didn't we already see this?
Y'all see? He trying to be like me. I ain't got my shoes on, but he trying to be like me.
Yeah, you gotta do this one with a drip check, so I don't
I gotta do what?
do my drip check.
I got you already.
but
I'm gonna get you 3 times.
Just make sure that, so that the case that it don't transfer, because you know how you are with transferring.
What I be doing wrong?
Huh?
Not sending you the video?
Yeah.
Really?
You don't send me the video, or
Really?
you what you got that for?
I'm throw it away.
Oh, you either not transfer it, or it starts off.
Wait a minute.
You start talking like this, and then it gets loud.
That's because my thing don't be on.
Really?
Oh man, I done lost my clip again.
Gotta be in the car.
I doubt it. I'm always losing my clip to my phone, y'all. And it be taking me like months to figure it out.
You ain't got no mask.
I ain't never got no mask either. Dang.
Damn! Y'all ain't never got 2 things that match.
She couldn't be Batman.
It's y'all fault because y'all was
She
distracting me
could
in the
not
car.
be Batman.
It was y'all fault.
They would know she. Here come Bruce Wayne again. Here come this Bruce Wayne nigga again.
All right. Take your best shot.
Hey, he ain't even Batman
Wait,
no
man,
more.
I gotta go see? So it ain't nothing up there.
At the Wally Mark. Yeah, I see they Jeep life.
It must not gonna rain though for real.
Well, it's only 5%, but it's just gloomy out a little bit. It's actually getting a little clear. Oh shoot, we about to follow him to the crib. He got that good stuff back there. Here, get that back. We'll take that. We'll take it. We'll take it. Thank you. That's okay. Damn, CJ up in here?
I just blew a bag. I need a bigger closet.
Yeah.
She shy.
She's not gonna leave on. want that nasty, ugly, dirty color that I can't stand. You can't have that color in the intro.
You ain't intro these kids is hard. The older kids is easy, but the smaller kids, it's hard, guys. They won't stop crying. They try to make me cry.
Sound like Daya. Yeah. Sound like Daya and Junior.
So guys, if you're wondering about all the water, you know we got a big family. Oh, that's nice.
We need a table for that. That's what we need to get, invest in next. Get some nice wood.
Every time we get one, we mess it up.
That's because we were leaving it outside.
You know what? I don't know why this is so high, but I need one. Shouldn't it supposed to be just 99 cents?
Ain't we supposed to not be picking up stuff we ain't coming here?
Oh yeah, I forgot all about that. You the one put it in the buggy. I think I said on there, do not put nothing in the buggy.
Yeah, okay.
Do not go in there picking up stuff. That's what I said. But if you wouldn't have touched it, you would have been all right. But you touched it and put it in the buggy. That don't mean you had to take it. Just say no sometimes.
Alright, let's see what they looking like with the meats over here. No, I know my blood pressure gonna get on my, gonna get me for that. That's kind of thick. I better get the thinner ones. She liked the thick ones. I'm gonna get these thin chops so I can just flip them around. Yeah, I think that'd be good.
Should I get two each of those or make them?
Probably need to get two of each. Two of each. She gonna ask me, and then when I tell her what I think, she look back at me like, really? Alright, let's see here. I ain't doing no ribs. I should though. I would have started that earlier. Alright, just gotta get some sausage and some hamburger meat. Ain't no hamburger meat. The right one. Yeah, make sure it's jelly, cause jam don't shake like that. That's the biggest one.
I think so. Do we need
I'm not fixing no salad.
vinegar? No.
Nah, I'm good on vinegar.
Oh, I gotta give me some honey.
Honey, sweet like honey. Got vinegar. Let's see what else was there.
Gotta get the honey, baby. All right, let's go.
All right. Full cart. Huh? Just a cake.
Huh?
Just a cake. I'll follow you. Go ahead.
Follow me?
Yeah.
You need like bell pepper and onion?
Yeah, we do. I'll grab that.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, I said I can grab that. If you start on the, if you start on. Yeah, I got it. All right, we're gonna cut this.
Okay, we're finally done with that little situation. 2 buggies. Did not expect to go in there and spend that kind of money for today. What you say? I know, right?
That was the whole purpose of going in and out.
Remember I told you not to get all this stuff?
Yeah, okay.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
Yeah, we still be in there. Get some more stuff.
Nah. Because you didn't get what I told you to get, which was the kids stuff.
Oh, I cut it short up.
Chris liked your video. Chris YNC.
Oh, that's the real. That's the
Oh, you did a real while ago, right?
Instagram live.
Oh, yeah. Okay. I was just letting you know. Delivering your message.
I'm gonna call him and tell him come over.
Are you?
Yeah, I'm gonna call him and tell him come over. There's him and rail to rail. He can bring free.
They ain't gonna come.
I invited. So
If anybody, Chris might show up though, for real.
I ain't gotta wait for CJ and them to come into town and come off of this.
That's true.
I ain't gotta wait for that to holler at them.
That's true. That's right. Because if V-Vapors was here, we'd be going back and forth.
Yeah.
And Jen and Rev. We done made us some good friends, y'all. What I say we was called again? What did I tell you we was called again in that picture that we took?
Power couple.
The power couples, that's right. You didn't forget. You need some help?
No, just get this.
You want me to put all the bread in the back seat?
Yeah, you can do that.
Let's get ready to rumble!
All right, y'all know what it is. Oh, sucky ducky. Here we go. Y'all know what time it is.
I didn't turn it to the man. I didn't turn.
Yes, sir. Ooh. The hamburger. That's what Nene's doing. Packing them hamburgers. The hamburgies. Do like CJ, like I'm doing something too. CJ's so cool. Oh, you try to act like he doing something too.
I guess I'm B-Lo then.
Huh?
I guess I'm B-Lo then.
Well, that's giving you more credit than calling you royalty, because I don't think she do shit either. They're purple, doing the nay-nay, sweeping one spot.
I know.
What you hiding from? What you hiding from?
Well, she know that y'all recording.
She gonna disappear on you again. She gonna get you. And you really gonna get Aaron, you people want to see it the most.
Nah, Ari holding on thinking that you gonna be around, like that's really gonna keep you somewhere.
She gonna get you again, Aaron.
Yeah, baby.
She about to put on some
Some
slick oil and it be gone. She about to put her hands upon her hips. When she dip, she dip, she dip.
Wow. Aaron fights so hard to stay up under. She gonna get tired in a minute and be asleep.
Get me in there.
You know I will. fork?
Hmm? It ain't in there? It ain't in there? No.
Go give me a fork, Josh.
I got it. I know where it's at. But no, you can get some. Grab one of them ones. Wait, there go one right there.
You got a lot of problems today, baby.
Oh.
Go put your shoes on, Barry. Can you,
Yeah. Do some scooting.
scooting and pooting?
Really need to do some flipping and dipping. What's your name, Will? You call me.
Put that one over there so I can get these in the middle.
Well, I want this to be cooked all the way through too. They thin enough to be damn near done already.
Move this one.
I don't even know what I'm filming. I'm doing the Marty Mar.
You know dang on well we don't supposed to be eating no dang on pork chop.
That's what I said when I picked them up. I was like, I don't know better than this, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Just cause. That's why I ain't fixed very many of them. I'm about to Instagram another reel.
We need a. He been waiting for y'all to sit it down.
Ooh-wee. Look at there, look at there. Yes, yes. Getting it in.
Who won't smoke with me? Who won't smoke with me? Who won't smoke with me? Nigga, who won't smoke with me?
I'm gonna look like a fire. Let me see here. Woo. Woo. That's what I'm talking about. Mm-hmm. Sound like an old man cooking, don't it? That's all right, though.
Old men speak differently. Old men speak like this. Watch out there now. Look out there, young fella. Watch out. Hey!
Griffin, Griffin, Griffin. Griffin, 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 Griffin. G